pattern sale that is happening now, 70% off. Welcome to my channel, Denise's Soft Sewers. It's your girl Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. And if it's your first time clicking on my video, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel so that you miss any sewing videos or any pattern or fabric sales. I got one for y'all. I'm out here at Ollie's right now, and I want to show you all, let you all know about this quick pattern sale. In this video, I will share with you all the location, sale dates, and prices or percentage off. Here we go. Sale location, simplicity.com. Sale dates happening now all the way through February the 16th, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. EST time to get in on the sale. What's on sale? 70% off, y'all. 70% off. Simplicity, McCall's, Buttery, Know Me, and Brother Style. You have once again until now all the way until February the 16th. 2026, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price of the patterns will be reflected in your cart. And guess what, y'all? I'm shopping this time. I'm shopping. Shout out to my husband, Big Bro, for letting his wifey. Hold on, let me get on over here. Grab her a few patterns for Valentine's Day, right, love?
Why not?
All right, y'all.
Feeling Cupid.
I know, and I appreciate it, baby. Thank you in advance. All right, everybody. Thank y'all so much for watching. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise's Soft Sewers. You all enjoy the sales, and happy Valentine's Day to all who are celebrating.
Cupid shot me in the ass with an arrow.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you not miss a video or a sales announcement. Have an amazing day, night, weekend, whatever time you watch my video. Your girl Denise's Soft Sewers. We'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye, baby. You want to say bye to the people? Bye-bye, y'all.
Bye, everybody.
Quick update. I'm at Ollie's. Joann's Fabric. To all my crafters out there who knit, check out their prices. Y'all let me know if it's a great price for it. If you're not sure, y'all know I sew. So, big old thing, $20. You got an idea. Any special occasions coming up for you all, that might be something nice to grab. All my knitters, let me know in the comments. These are a great price for it. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.